Clearance violations. There are two ways of resolving this clearance constraint. First, decrease the size of the transistor footprint pads to increase the clearance between the pads, or configure the rules to allow a smaller clearance between the transistor footprint pads. Since the 0.25mm clearance is quite generous and the actual clearance is quite close to this value of 0.22mm, a good choice in this situation would be to configure the rules to allow a smaller clearance. Now, this can be done in the existing clearance constraint design rule as shown below. Now, the TH pad to TH pad value is changed to 0.22mm in the grid region of the rule constraint. To edit a cell, select first it, then press F2. This solution is acceptable in this situation because the only other component with through-hole pads is the connector, which has pads spaced over 1mm apart. If this was not the case, the best solution would be to add a second clearance constraint targeting just the transistor's pads, as was done for the solder mask expansion rules. Now click OK to accept the changes and close the PCB rules and constraint editor dialog.